Okay, so now I'm going to record this video. I'm going to open my render account, my VS Code, and page admin. So I click on here. This is my database. And then I go down to delete database. I'm gonna have this little name, which I'm gonna copy. And I paste it just in the bottom there. I delete the database. And so now the database is deleted. Now I'm gonna click on new, postgrade, and I'm gonna put a new name here for my new project. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna use the same name. For my work. I leave this as it is. I click on the free project and I create the database. With the database created, well, it's creating right now. I'm gonna wait a few moments. It's actually pretty fast. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit. It's gonna take only a few seconds. I practiced this a couple times, but there's a lot of steps, so I hope I can get it right. Okay, I'm waiting, it's available. So now I go down really quickly and I check that it's all zeros down here. And then I go up and my external database URL, I have to copy that. And now I go to the page admin application, and then I'm going to erase the connection here. Remove server. Yes, I want to remove it. And then I want to register server. So I'm going to make a new one. In name, I'm going to put render. And then I go to the connections. And in the connections, I'm going to paste the code that I just copied. I'm going to erase everything from the @ all the way to the back, and then from the /, I'm also going to erase that part. Okay, now I go back and I'm going to copy my password. Then I'm gonna put my password here and I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go to my username and copy my username. I go back to page admin and I paste the username. Now my maintenance name is going to be the database here. I copy that, I go back and I paste it. Next, I'm gonna go to parameters. And in SSL mode, I'm gonna go to require and save. Okay, now you can see my connection is open, and oh, I forgot this part. Okay, so I open it, and you can see that in tables and in types there is nothing. So now I'm going to go to public and select query tool. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Visual Studio Code and I'm gonna copy my code right here, go back to page admin and paste my code. Then I click on execute and it's done. I go back to public and I put refresh. And then if we go down, we're gonna see the 3 tables and the account type. In the classification table, I'm gonna go to view data, all rows, and you're gonna see right here my table. When you go to the inventory and you do the same thing, all rows, you're also gonna see my table here. And that is everything. I think I'm good. Thank you and have a good week.